guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm doing another video on a Daniel Wellington watch, which I'm super excited about. These are awesome Christmas gifts, so if you guys are still looking for something special, they have men's watches and women's watches, and I'm going to go over this one that I just got, and I'm so excited. So if you want to see this unboxing, go ahead and keep watching. Alright, so can we first just talk about the packaging? Look how classic this is. It's just so stylish, and it's like, I don't even know what they do to boxes, but they cover them in something and they're so like smooth. I love the packaging. It's very sleek. Alright, so this is what it looks like on the inside when you open it. This is the gift set, which is so cool because you guys can customize this to whatever you want. You can choose what size watch you want, the face of the watch. You can choose the color of the inside, black or white. You can choose silver, gold, rose gold. You can choose what band you want. It's so cool that you can create your own gift set. Now this does retail right now on their site for $277, but there is a coupon code, JustMells, that's going to give you 15% off. So let me show you what this looks like on. And also let me tell you that code JustMells to save you 15% works in store and on their website. So you guys get to ordering because this is such a beautiful gift. Look at how pretty this is. This is the, let me tell you guys which one this is. It's the Classic Petite 32mm Melrose and the bracelet. Now this isn't just the classic bracelet, this is a newer one. I hadn't seen this one before. But it has the white and the rose gold, and these are adjustable just very slowly. If you need it stretched open, stretch it open very slowly just so it lasts forever. And of course here is the front and the back. These are just so pretty and they just look so rich, so classy to me. And I love that there's so many different watch bands that you can use on these. These are also very easy to adjust. Let me show you. In your box underneath your watch, there's a little envelope. One of these little envelopes, and inside you're going to find a little tool and a owner's manual. And this little tool is going to help you adjust your watch. So it's very, very simple. There's this little arrow right here, and then you have your little tool. All you do is stick your tool in that little clasp area and open it this way. And then once that's open, this is going to slide anywhere on the watch band. And there are little grooves on the back that it's going to kind of stick into when you lock it. So, whoops, you're just gonna put this on and kind of put it wherever you want it and then lock that down. So let me get mine put back where I like it. Okay, so to latch it, you've got these two sides. There's this little piece right here. You're gonna have this piece open and then this piece open, and there's this little hook here. You're gonna hook that right here and then close this and then snap this piece over. And then that is what the back will look like. So let's go ahead and put this on. I like that the latch is so secure, so you're not worried that it's gonna come undone, because it does have like that two-step latch. Okay, so here it is on, and I have mine kind of loose, kind of like a bracelet. I'm gonna see how I like it like that. And then here's the bracelet, and I think I want to put it in front of the watch. Isn't that so gorgeous? Yes, I love it. I love the white and the rose gold. I think the black would be super pretty too. Isn't that so pretty? Yes, I love it. All right, so that is what it looks like on. You know how to adjust it. and you know about the gift set. So that is pretty much it. So you guys don't forget, the code JustSmells is going to save you 15%. So get out there and get your Christmas shopping done, because these are amazing gifts, like I said, for men or women. Yeah, if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Alright guys, I'll see you next time.